I think subtitling MFP a
A prompt challenge could really show companies how all their employees from different teams can benefit from using GenAI. It was a very simple first experience to learn the basic skills in prompting and understanding the fundamentals of using GenAI.
And what's interesting is that here we have a much simpler and more structured method to ensure that the prompt is indeed of good quality.
With the help of Midjourney and Gemini, we were able to imagine what a product launch could be like. It can also inspire us to continue at home, later at work or at home. I just need to have a Gmail account, especially for EFC, so it's really super simple.
I believe it is a fantastic method to bring creative energy to everyone, making them feel more inspired and motivated.
The challenge aspect with the Artifacts teams is indeed very nice, as it adds some pressure and encourages being the fastest to present to the public.
I think it was really inspiring to see how excited they were, and it almost brought a competitive spirit to try to create a better campaign throughout the project, which was a great motivator and a source of inspiration for everyone involved. The format was absolutely very good. It was very nice to be in smaller groups and collaborate together. It's about working very deeply in a focused and dedicated manner to create something with great attention to detail.
It's true that this challenge was competitive, and since I like to win, we tried to play the game, and we managed to win.
My experience today was really exciting and fulfilling. It was absolutely great to see how much easier it was to create campaigns very quickly and efficiently, get ideas for potential marketing materials and strategies, all in just a few minutes. The user interface was intuitive, and the entire process was seamless and enjoyable.
I also think that this type of training is absolutely essential. It is an introductory training to ensure that when we put an LLM tool in the hands of a user who is not a data expert, they can use it appropriately. So, being able to get an answer as quickly as possible. Achieving a level of quality, a level of precision that meets our expectations requires structure, method, and it's this type of challenge that indeed allows raising up the bar a bit and adopting and integrating this type of tool in various professions.